In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cookies in Microsoft Edge. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to select, and what each choice means so you can clear cookies confidently without removing anything you want to keep. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can use the taskbar, the Start menu, or your Applications folder. Any way you normally launch the browser works. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the window for the three dots. This is the menu button that gives you access to your browser settings and tools. Click it to open the menu. From the menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the main settings page where you can control how Edge behaves and what it stores. On the left sidebar, select Privacy, Search, and Services. This section focuses on your data, privacy controls, and how Edge handles things like tracking and site data. Scroll to the area labeled Clear Browsing Data and click. Choose what to clear. This opens a panel where you decide exactly what to remove. At the top, you'll see a time range drop-down. Click it and pick how far back you want to clear cookies. Last hour is helpful if you're fixing a very recent issue. Last 24 hours or last 7 days can resolve problems from the past day or week. All time clears everything, which is the most thorough option if you're troubleshooting persistent issues. Next, make sure cookies and other site data is checked. This is the key setting that removes cookies. The small files websites store to remember you and your preferences. Keep in mind, clearing cookies will likely sign you out of most websites, and some site preferences may reset. If you only want to clear cookies, ensure other boxes like browsing history or cached images and files are unchecked unless you also want to remove them. When you're ready, click Clear Now. Edge will begin removing the selected data. This may take a few seconds, depending on how much there is. Once it's done, you can return to your open tabs or reload any sites you're using. If a site was acting up, try refreshing it or signing in again to see if the issue is resolved. That's all you need to do. Open Edge, go to the menu, head into Settings, choose Privacy, Search, and Services, pick. Choose what to clear, select your time range, check cookies and other site data, and click Clear Now. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need a fresh start with your browsing session.